There's a lot of bees and butterflies here in the butterfly garden on this sedum autumn joy that we have blooming. This is why it's important to have a long season of blooms in your garden, because that's why they're all congregated here. There's not a whole lot of things blooming this time of year. So when you can extend the bloom season with perennials and annuals, you are giving food to pollinators. So after this sedum autumn joy finishes blooming, then we have over here our aster, our blue aster, and it will start blooming to extend the season even more. So make sure you have fall blooming plants for the pollinators.